Hello and welcome to this new video of Tactical Index. Today I'm gonna show you how to install the VSS kit for the KC02. So let's go. First you're gonna start to disassemble your KC02. You're gonna need to remove the stock and the top rail with the hop wheel to have a completely naked replica like this. And from there you can start to assemble. Gonna need the receiver. It's on the package, it's 3 parts. The first part is like this, the second one is like this, and the third one is this one. I've assembled it with this glue and with bicycle rods, and it's pretty strong. From there you can start to take this screw and insert it right there, because once you have assembled the replica you won't be able to remove it. There it is, and you can, I think it's this one, yeah, perfect. I'm gonna assume that you've already put every insert in the replica. There you have this. From there you can, if I remember correctly, yes, you can assemble the handguard. It's pretty straightforward, just like this. And then you have the barrel. You can assemble the front side. It's glued in on the barrel. It's in the package it's separate, but you have to glue it. You can put already the spring, and then we're gonna assemble the sight. It's this small part. As you can see, there is the spring already inside. You just insert it. You may need to play with it so the spring can pass through, and then it's ready. To adjust it, just push it. You push from this side to this side like this, and you can adjust it, and from there you can assemble it. Yeah, this part may need some tools because of the spring. You need something to push the spring down. There it is, and it should lock into place there, and from there the spring will always push the side down. So from there you can assemble the barrel. By the way, the front side is glued too. Can just, oh, small tip, I've put insert there because you're gonna need a screw to secure the barrel, but if it's tight enough you don't have to do it. So you tilt it so you can enter, and when it's inside you just rotate it until these are aligned there. From there you can put this screw and tighten it. Yeah, because mine is a prototype, they don't align properly. It's fixed on the final version that you're gonna download. You can also do it on the bottom if you want, but it's really not necessary since it's very tight. When it's in this current configuration, you can still disassemble it. It's quite useful to adjust the hop unit. That's what you're gonna do. You just push it in front, and then you can put the top cover in place. I personally only put two screws because it's faster to uninstall, but you can put the three screws. And then you've got the hop wheel. You assemble it just by clamping the screw in the hop wheel. To go a bit faster, I'm gonna use just a screw. If you don't necessarily need to put the hop wheel, but you're gonna have to adjust it with an Allen wrench. And there we are. From there you can put the... No, I need to put a bit lower with the hop wheel. If you are too high, you won't be able to assemble it. Perfect. And from there, John, I just forgot that we're gonna need to disassemble this sheet because of the stock. It's late. I'm just a bit tired. Gonna need to assemble the stock. Put this aside. From there, you can already put this and this to assemble the back. Just see the inserts, the two screws already. Okay. I'm just trying to remember if I'm on the good side there, like this. Perfect. Then you need to aim a bit. Yeah, with my big hands it's not very easy to do. And with the right wrench it's much better, by the way. Oh. Yeah, perfect. 1 and 2. And this is the setting of the height. You can adjust the height like the real one, and when you're in the desired place you just tighten the screws. I'm gonna put it on the maximum lowest position. Okay, there we are. Put it aside. This one is ready. I've printed this part in PLA wood to have this effect. I just put 3 screws, but you can put 6 one. And from there you can put this one on the top and this one on the back. And then we're gonna put these screws. I'm just gonna show you how to prepare it. You're gonna need this kind of screws. You just insert it, you align it, and there, to have it placed perfectly, you put this and you tighten from this side, and when tightening it will push the screw on the bottom of the in this part. Just tighten it. Should be enough. Perfect. And then remove it. There we are. Just put some glue on the circle on the top. Yeah, that's a nice lot of glue. And you take the cap, file included, and you just place it. And we're gonna put it aside because it needs to dry. But since the other one was already made, we can use it. right there. From there you can adjust the height, and when you're on the desired position, I'm gonna put it on the bottom because I like to have my cheek free when I'm aiming. You just tighten it. You're ready. No, I'm just gonna wait for this one. And from there you can, yeah, the stock is quite ready. You can put this screw on the bottom. Yeah, there it is. And you see, I'm just gonna insert the stock. Really, that's not rocket science. And then you have it. As you can see, it's flush there. It's not flush anymore. There, perfect. Just tighten the screw that was ready. Don't over tighten, that's still 3D printing. Then you put this one on the bottom. And there we are. Perfect. From there we can put back this again. Because my hope reel is still there, I need to insert it from the top. There we are. And from there we can, yeah, perfect. And we can lock it on the bottom with the screw that it's supposed to be somewhere. I think it's this one. I'm just gonna need to check. No, it's the other one. That have to be, yeah, as expected. From there, just tighten it through the handguard. That's the screw that's gonna tighten the whole stock to the KC02 chassis. And from there, we can put the railed handguard. Put it on the front. Just slide it until this hole lines up with this hole. You just insert the screw from the side. Yeah, tighten, but don't over tighten. Perfect. Do the same for the front one. Perfect. And from there we can put the mag release. From there it will still work, but you have to put your finger in the mag weld. That's not really how it's supposed to be. So just take this one. It has a pretty different design from the one you're gonna have, because this one is a prototype. It's still working, but the one included is much better. And you put the screw, and from there you're gonna need to aim for it. Yeah, you need to go a bit blind there. That's not the easiest thing to do. That's not really difficult, but yeah, it's a bit of a pain in the somewhere. There. I'm just gonna tighten a bit, but not too much. If you tighten too much, we'll put some stress on it. Perfect. and from there you can check. You don't really see because of the light. You see there. Yeah, it's working perfect. And there you have your mag. I can't really disassemble it because it was a prototype and it's very tight, but what you're gonna need to do is first finding the right wrench. When you have it, you just insert your mag in the mag shell, you put a grub screw, and then you tighten it to secure the mag. It's really extremely simple. Design not over-engineered. That's just a sleeve. And if everything went good, you can insert it. Perfect. And perfect. And from there, this one should have dried. So we can put it there. This. I'm gonna just put a bit back because we want to test if, and there. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.